आपको कभी स्ट्रेस होता है म्यूजिक बनाने में?
स्ट्रेस मुझे म्यूजिक बनाने में होता है, लोगों से होता है।
हाउ मामू इज विद मी, बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट है। माई फर्स्ट डे ऑन सेट उन्होंने सबको कहा था कि ये असिस्टेंट का भी असिस्टेंट है, चाय बनानी है चाय बना दो, चेयर लाना है चेयर बोलो लाने। सो दैट्स जस्ट हाउ स्ट्रिक्ट दे आर, बिकॉज दे नो व्हाट इट टेक्स,
ताकि आप पूरा प्रोसेस समझें।
हाँ, क्योंकि वहाँ पहुँचने तक आपको जो जो टैलेंट, हार्डवर्क, जो माइंडसेट चाहिए होता है वो आप वैसे ही सीख पाओगे।
Stars Express.
I think मेरे बचपन से अगर 2 words have defined any human being's positive journey of life, it has to be freedom and the freedom to express yourself. और मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि all 4 of these are महारथीज of that. Beginning from you, considering आप director है यहाँ पे of the film itself, I genuinely am supremely inspired by your journey. And if I may call you Gattu, because that's what people who are close to you call you, and I love your wife, who's a very big part of this project. आपने लाइफ में इतनी स्ट्रगल्स देखी डिस्पाइट बीइंग सच एन इंटीग्रल पार्ट ऑफ बॉलीवुड, तो मुझे कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है कि आपसे ये पूछना कि आपका मंत्रा क्या है लाइफ, मतलब उल्टा होता है, यूजुअली मंत्रा एंड में पूछते हैं, बट मैं बिगिनिंग में ही पूछ रही हूँ, गट्टू का मंत्रा क्या है लाइफ का?
Actually, thank you for such kind words. You said such wonderful things about me. I'm really touched. Thank you. But you know, yeah, शुरू में ना जब एक्टर के बतौर आया था, तब मेरे लिए दुनिया कुछ और ही थी। You know, मैं एक फिल्म फैमिली से आया था और मुझे एक स्टार बनना था, और मुझे लगा कि दुनिया ऐसी ही होगी क्या, चमकती धमकती, क्योंकि मेरे मामा के घर पे इतनी बड़ी पार्टीज़ होती थी और सारे फिल्म वाले होते थे, and they used to be so nice and so friendly and everything was great. And then my debut film just kind of, my whole debut collapsed, you know, so I had done some films and just went really bad. And then I saw another side of the business, and it was very hard and very dark, but I think I learned a lot, you know. I can say that now when I look back, I feel very enriched by these experiences, because they really anchor you, you know. You just know कि बस बाकी सब, इनफैक्ट अमन और मैं भी बात कर रहे थे कि जितना फेलियर्स में मज़ा है ना, अगर आप, बट उसके मज़े लेने के लिए आपको कुछ सक्सेस भी देखनी चाहिए पड़ेगी, यू नो, बट अंटिल देन यू सफ़र योर फेलियर्स. But the day you see some success, then you will realize the value of those failures, because they teach you everything. Like success is like garnish, you know. थोड़ा दिमाग आप खुश हो जाओगे, आप थोड़ा उड़ने लगोगे. And I've over the years started to really believe in stoicism, you know, like kind of rejecting unnecessary pleasures and superficial satisfactions. Like what really gets me going is work and family and a good story, because that's what I survive on. And what happens is that when I have a story, then I am disconnected from what we call the real world, because when I'm in my film, that is a world. All those characters are real, and they have emotions, and they need justifications, and they need to be told, showing different facets of their personality, and I feel responsible for them, you know. And so it's also godlike in a way, you know, कि यार इस दुनिया में these characters look up to me, yeah, कि I'm responsible for them, and I have to bring justice to their lives. So it's a very crazy world to live in.
आपने तो बोला भी है कि आपकी फिल्में आपके लिए बच्चे ही हैं और आप उनको बच्चों की तरह पालते भी हो. ये कितना टाइम लगता है एक फिल्म लिखने में, बिकॉज आपकी जो लिखाई है वही स्क्रीन पे इतनी मैजिकल सेंस देती है हमको.
मुझे लगता है कभी-कभी मैं बहुत सारा वक्त ज़ाया भी करता हूँ, you know, and because I think sometimes good things need time to marinate, you know. Although I would like them to come out much faster, but जो वक्त लगता है उसको, अच्छे स्लो गैस पे जैसे खाना बनता है, तो स्लो गैस का खाना स्लो गैस वाला ही होता है, you know. And so it takes me some time to get my stories in place and so that it can go deep. And but यही दुनिया है, यही जीवन है.
आज़ादी, did you feel in आज़ाद a sense of आज़ादी? क्योंकि again you have taken a leap, आप कहीं और चले गए. But then all the movies that you make, we're like, it's literally आपके साथ से कहाँ जाने वाले next? I don't know. ये क्या thought था आज़ाद का?
Actually, this has been a story that has been with me for many years, and I wrote this with my writers Ritesh Shah and Suresh Nair. We wrote it in 2017. But this is such a off-the-cuff kind of story, and I was very passionate about it. I just could see it. I could always see it, a film about a horse and a boy, and the setting, and just the free-spirited gallop, you know. I thought it would be exhilarating to watch. And I'm, you know, if you ask me, like, I've not made any movies कि यार मैं public के लिए बनाऊँ या box office के लिए बनाऊँ. मैं फिल्में अपने लिए ही बनाता हूँ, जो मुझे बनाने में मज़ा आए और खुद ही देखने में मज़ा आए. So मैं वही फिल्म बनाता हूँ. And तभी मुझे I can give it what it needs to get, you know. Otherwise, it's a very hard job. Making a movie is very, very painful job. And so when you see it complete and come to life, it's extremely satisfaction. ऐसा लगता है कि आपने सोचा था कि कहीं मेरा बेटा हो, और suddenly आप देखते हो आपका बेटा 6 फुट 3 इंच का लंबा चौड़ा लड़का हो. You feel proud looking at him, no? So it's like that.
बहुत बड़ा सपना टिकमा किया. I'll come back to that, but I'm so happy for you, Aman, because I think again you come from a very prolific family yourself. और उसमें फिर मेहनत और भी I think 10 गुना लगती है.
प्रेशर ही उतना होता है.
वही तो, यहाँ से क्या प्रेशर आया, इनके साइड से क्या है, क्योंकि ये बहुत शेप करने में माहिर हैं.
बहुत. Because I think उनके mindset to deal with newcomers, he's also a kid himself inside somewhere. उनका बचपन अभी जागा है. So I think that's why he can deal with newcomers very easily. And it was so important for Asha and I, because obviously we've done a lot of training and everything. But for the first time coming in front of a screen and to have a guide like him, just have to be very grateful.
बचपन में कभी मतलब आपके मामा के डायलॉग्स आप ऐसे अपने अकेले रूम को बंद करके आईने के सामने बोल रहे थे, कौन से थे वो?
मतलब I really liked Bhagat Singh when I was a kid. Once I told him, where's your get-up, where's your this? I didn't know that he was acting. That's actually a very integral story of why I wanted to become an actor. Because I used to keep seeing him normally, and then I used to see him on TV and these characters, and I was like, why you changed your clothes? कपड़े क्यों बदले आपने?
But जैसे आप देखते थे उनको, you were never enamored by him कि यार मामू आए, larger than life. He was very chill with. He was not.
Like I said, I used to be confused because I used to see him on screen and then I used to see him sitting. So I used to go up to him and I was like, मामू आप ये कपड़े क्यों पहन रहे हो? उधर तो आप वो कपड़े पहन रहे हो.
पर फिर set में नहीं जाते थे. I mean, did you get?
हाँ, of course. I used
you got
to
that
go.
exposure.
Yeah, I did. I started assisting at the age of I think 18, 19.
Wow.
And उन्होंने मुझे technically भी बहुत help किया in terms of camera.
Please ये बताओ यार, ये हमको बहुत मजा आता है जब कोई बोलता है रणबीर कपूर ने पोछा मारा था, then you know राकेश सर्विल से अरे ऋतिक को तो मैंने you know बस में भेजा था. आपकी struggle क्या थी as being an assistant?
नहीं ऐसी देखो, what happens is I'll tell you. ठीक है, when you're from a film family.
जी.
Okay. And this could be different for different film families. I'm telling you how Mamu.
आप हिंदी में बोल.
हाँ, how Mamu is with me. बहुत strict है. My first day on set, उन्होंने सबको कहा था कि ये assistant का भी assistant है. उसको मतलब चाय बनानी है, चाय बना दो. चेयर लाना है, चेयर बोलो लाने. So that's just how strict they are because they know what it takes.
ताकि आप पूरा process समझें.
हाँ, क्योंकि वहाँ पहुँचने तक आपको जो talent, hard work, जो mindset चाहिए होता है, वो आप वैसे ही सीख पाओगे.
I'm going to come to this doll last. Let me ask you, Amit, because I feel you and it's, again, I'm doing the zodiacal connect here, okay? It's Aries and Leo. It's a total match made in heaven. It's a fire sign. So fire sign hai.
Did you research this and
No, I just for me
How did you know mine?
People are for me their zodiac sign. मतलब मैं लोगों का नाम नहीं याद रखूंगी लेकिन उनका numerology date of birth याद रखूंगी.
So what's his?
He is Aquarian.
I'm actually a cusp.
Aquarius and Pisces. Oh,
I'm a
18.
Pisces.
Born late on 18.
We should do another
Session. I'm very good at we'll do it. But Amit, I have to ask you. जब आप दोनों साथ में आते हो ना कुछ अलग नशा चलता है.
Definitely.
मुझे आज भी याद है वो दिन जब शंकर had walked into my studio and you know शंकर very inquisitive. तो बोलता है अर्चू कौन सा गाना चल रहा है? And तभी शुभारंभ was like it was somewhere in my soul कि ये गाना कैसे बना है? कहाँ शुरू हो रहा है? कहाँ जा रहा है? And that can I don't know how much of his vision comes in play. क्योंकि as a 6 he has a very clear vision and you have to tell us.
Very definitely number one job ने कहा vision is very clear and I think the passion that he uses now when he's describing his or narrating his story to I've seen very rarely in filmmakers like that the way he tells his story वो energy इतना strong होता है ना कि you kind of absorb that and जो मैं आज तक करते आया हूँ like the way he tells me कि the way he talks also right now the way he talks also there's something so amazing about it कि आप सुन रहे हो and you are into it and वो जो भी कहानी बता रहे हैं या जो भी सिचुएशन बता रहे हैं, फॉर मी इट्स ऑल द ऑफ कोर्स एक ब्रॉड स्टोरी ऑफ अ फिल्म दैट ही इज मेकिंग एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स द सिचुएशन दैट ऑफ द सॉन्ग सिचुएशंस जो होते हैं। तो सॉन्ग सिचुएशन के बारे में द वे ही सेज इट ना, इट इज समथिंग सो स्ट्रांग, पैशनेटली सेज इट कि इतना स्ट्रांगली वो मेरे पे आता है, आई डोंट नो मेरे पे अमिताभ
And you internalize it.
इंटरनलाइज होता है एंड देन रिएक्शन इमीडिएटली आता है और नेचुरली आता है, और जो भी आता है वो आपके सबके सामने है जो भी आता है।
How is आजाद अलग आपके लिए, मतलब as an album?
It's very very different because
How is that?
I think it's we have done Kaipoche,
जी.
which is good, you know, Gujarat centric
Yeah.
था, इसमें शुभारंभ है, मांझा,
इधर I think एक मनगढ़ंत.
Fitur we had like
Yeah.
full romance, very passionate romance between Katrina and Kedarnath is of course Kedarnath with of course romance and Shiv ji, and this is again a horse, this is a relationship between a man and a horse, and of course a love story in that between that, and so there are different subjects, different worlds we are dealing with. So and like he mentioned in the previous interview also, which I believe in, that the story is where everything comes out of. And
आपको कोई स्ट्रेस होता है म्यूजिक बनाने में?
स्ट्रेस मुझे म्यूजिक बनाने में होता है, लोगों से होता है।
His human interaction is
Human is the problem.
But trust me, आजाद कोलैब के ना मैंने जब प्रोमो देखे सिनेमा हॉल में, I was like, Amit has changed. This is a new Amit. I don't know this guy. It's amazing how you're coming out.
Thank you,
I'm so proud of you, really.
Thank
I know
you.
it takes a lot of effort from somebody like you.
Introvert का journey to extrovert being
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. I think in many ways you're an ambivert, क्योंकि आपको लोग पसंद हैं, कुछ ज़्यादा ही interaction भी नहीं पसंद है, because you have to be with your music.
Correct.
Okay, now let me come to you, gorgeous girl. मैंने आपकी मम्मी को एक मैसेज भेजा था कि रवीना आपकी बेटी आपकी परछाई है, लुक्स में सब लोग कह रहे हैं, बट वो एक स्पिरिट आपका लेके घूम रही है, विच इज़ ऑफ अ वार्म, लविंग, काइंड सोल. और आई थिंक बहुत कम यंगस्टर्स में मैं ज़्यादा ऐसे वाला एटीट्यूड देखती हूँ, आप में थोड़ा वो कम है. I'm so proud of that part of
Thank you so much.
I had to start with that.
Thank you.
And she was so happy. I think she almost had tears in her eyes. That's what she wrote to me on WhatsApp. तो अभी मैं आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ कि ये आपके बचपन का ड्रीम ना मम्मी को डांस करते करते देख के कि it was something that you groomed into, like सौ कि हाँ अभी यही करना है.
नहीं, वो प्यार तो always था. I mean, whether it was for नाच गाना or even just for theatre, I was actually a big theatre buff. So वो प्यार तो ऑलवेज था, लेकिन मम्मी को देखते हैं, आई मीन इट वाज लाइक अ हेरिडिटरी लव, यू नो, फॉर द आर्ट. एंड आई थिंक टू वर्क विद द director like Gattu sir, it's not at all, the look is very secondary, which is what I actually appreciate. I love that the focus is fully on the art and the expression, the nakhra, and all of that is the focus. So wo mere liye bahut important tha, and of course it is very important for Gattu sir also. So that is my favorite part.
And knowing कि आप quintessentially इस era की हो और आपको उस era में fit in होना था, you must be very happy कि ये मुझे entry ऐसी मिली है देसी वाली, क्योंकि
that is, I tell everyone I'm so thankful that I get to wear those घाघराs and the dupattas, and I just said also that, you know, I felt like a princess. वो princess वाली feeling आती है जब मैं set पे थी और मैं घाघरा के साथ ऐसे गोल गोल घूमती थी. I felt like, you know, one little princess only in my own bubble.
अब मुझे बताइए आपकी hyper sensitive loving मम्मी ने क्या reaction दिया जब उन्होंने आपका promo देखा? I'm very keen to know कि रवीना जी ने क्या बोला.
Both my dad and mom really didn't say much, in not a bad way, in a way that I don't think they know what to say, because I don't think even I know what's happening to me right now.
You're in a dream.
Yeah, it really
Dream sequence चालू है.
I swear, मतलब ऐसे लगता ये सपना है, ये ऐसे लगता नहीं है कि असलियत है, ये लाइफ नहीं है. But it's true.
कल 2 साल पहले तो स्कूल से निकली हैं ये.
I know.
Yeah.
So for them I think it's a shock कि ये कि बहुत जल्दी नहीं हो रहा ये सब.
Yeah. You know? Papa तो I don't wanna start. He is like,
मेरी बेटी को बचाओ.
The fact that I'm even talking about him now, he's gonna hate it. But yeah, when I actually got when Pragya ma'am came to the office to talk to Papa and I, we had just started work on the film, not shooting, but like the workshops and stuff. Papa, please don't kill me. But he has started crying. And
out of happiness, I hope.
Yeah, of course. And R.A., who's mom's manager, I call her R.A., her name's Reema. But she is trying to film, you know, this moment, a special moment. He's like, हटो यहाँ से, हटो यहाँ से, हटो.
Oh, once again, मतलब पूरे परिवार में सबसे फिल्मी आपके पापा ही हैं.
That is true. It is so true. He knows the most about everyone and everything. लेकिन वो कभी बताते नहीं हैं कि you know, even when he talks to Gattu sir about work, whether it's this film or other films, ask him, Papa, what did Gattu sir say? Tell me, na, tell me, na, tell me. No, no. Why? He will tell you. Okay. No, it's like, okay.
कुछ पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है.
Yeah, but yeah.
Okay, I'm going to try and do a rapid fire. Are you ready for this? आपके जीतू जी, who we love, we just love the man. मतलब क्या है? If there was a thing like how we think about Anil Kapoor today, it was for us that time it was जीतू जी, as we all know, forever young, है ना? तो अगर एक चीज नसीहत आपको उनसे मिली या आप उनसे सीखे, उनको बस ऑब्जर्व करके, वो क्या है?
Oh, he's always high spirited. You know, मतलब I think he is the eternally young man. You know, the number one.
And he any movie of his that you thought when you saw and you were like, I love my uncle. क्या है?
I loved him in 2 films for sure. One is Farz and one is Himmatwala.
Oh, what epics! आप बताइए, आपको देवगन सर की apart from you said भगत सिंह,
हाँ.
कौन सी पिक्चर थी जो आपको लगा कि crowning glory है ना उनकी?
I really love Drishyam. Drishyam. I think recently Shaitan also came. I love that. And also I think his era of comedies was, I think I really loved, like Golmaal 1, All the Best.
Especially because you don't expect it from him.
Yeah, and like that kind of humor at that time, it used to be, we need that humor back now. Yeah,
And
I
उनसे
hope
क्या
we get
सीख-
that back.
yeah we need
This
it.
film, I hope.
We need to cancel the cancel culture.
There is humor, and a lot of humor in this one.
He's a walking, talking character.
Hi, can't wait to watch this. Okay, cool. So, and what have you learned from him? क्या सीखा उनसे?
The kind of advice उन्होंने मुझे दी है कि just always stay humble, always focus on the goal, and never fly. Okay.
राशा, आपके लिए मॉम की कौन सी फिल्म थी मेमोरेबल और क्या सीखा?
I think as any movie buff would say, Andaz Apna Apna. That is like, I mean, come on. Firstly, her voice in that is like, I try and imitate it till this day.
एक डायलॉग
She was
बताओ.
such a...
You don't have to imitate a voice.
I
to
know,
sound
I
like it.
know.
No, but 1 second. That's now. But if you see Andaz Apna Apna, she says, हाँ, how do you, ये क्या है? ये क्यों कर रहे हो आप? हाँ, ये क्यों है? ये
That
ऐसे
used to be
क्यों
very
है?
exaggerated.
Like very, not I think she actually sounded like that. She was a baby when she filmed.
मुझे तो अजीब लगता है कि ये रवीना टंडन को मम्मी बोलती है. रवीना टंडन मम्मी.
I know.
बहन है.
Hard to
बहन
process.
है. In spirit also बहन है. I swear, I was like, I wouldn't like to say that I was a little bit of a nerd in school.
जी.
I think, but she used to push me, go out. Have fun. Stop studying. This used to be the narrative.
ये तो
This
उल्टा
used to
चल
be-
रहा
है.
It was ulta. It was fully ulta. With most things in life, it's ulta.
Wow, you lucky girl. And what is the fundamental that you've learned from her? क्या है वो फंडा अगर मॉम का अगर आपने जो एक चुराया है?
I mean, of course, to stay grounded, yes.
जी.
But I think not to overthink so much in life.
Oh my God, which is
Yeah.
our girls' first
Yeah, yeah, not to.
धर्म अधिकार.
I was
Yeah.
just born with it. Okay, okay. अगर आपने first time आज़ादी महसूस की है, for a lot of boys it's being on a bike, you know, आपके लिए क्या था?
जब तक मुझे कोई जबरदस्ती मुझसे कोई काम नहीं करना पड़े मुझे, और जो फिल्म मुझे अगर नहीं बनानी और मुझे जबरदस्ती बनानी पड़े,
That's the only time you feel.
that's the day I'll feel not azad. But otherwise I feel
But do you
great.
think while you're writing or when you've completed a
When you're writing, तो you're most azad. It's just that वो आजाद है कि जाए कहाँ? The point is to find the direction to go in. And but when you do find that direction, that is real liberation.
to find the right direction of your story. Nice. आपके लिए आज़ादी क्या है, darling?
You know, I think I was just thinking about the answer while you was talking. You know, I've jumped off mountains in Portugal. I've done very liberating things, but I have
ये
actually.
personal
Yeah.
action आपका चालू ही था पहले
I
से.
had actually मैं एक football trip के लिए गया था. I was playing for a team. So we were seeing the mountains and not like harness and all, just like straight into the ocean.
ये खानदानी है, वो है क्या कीड़ा? मतलब क्या है ये?
Lekin
कूदते रहते हैं.
have you seen him doing like tricks, kicks and all? Oh my God, you will lose your mind.
Wow.
Please. Oh my God, you will lose.
It's fun, yeah. It's
It's crazy.
मजा आता है.
आपके लिए?
Abstract, I feel jungle में, safari पे. In the jeep, there's no network, no cell service. All you can see around you is trees, leaves, oxygen.
Oh my God.
yeah.
Digital detox. That is.
Not
you're
digital,
talking, you're
but
talking. Yeah,
I mean,
everything,
having
everything.
an animal in front of you. Oh God.
How beautiful.
And the only thing you can see, he's just sitting there. He's doing nothing but just living. And oh my God, to live like that. I want to retire and go to a jungle only, I swear.
हाय राम, अभी तो शुरुआत भी नहीं हुई.
I already have my retirement. I know where also. I know where.
Get you thinking. मत बोल इतना जल्दी नहीं.
Where?
I'm going.
Where did you say? Sorry.
Ranthambore National Park.
Very beautiful.
You'll retire.
I will go. I will live in a hut.
Wow.
I will go and
serve
live.
animals. I think.
Beautiful.
I want to live there.
Amazing.
आपको कौन ट्रोल कर रहा है सबसे ज्यादा फ्रेंड्स में से?
Oh, all
और
my
क्या
friends.
बोलते हैं? और क्या बोलते हैं?
Oh, they can't see me. They saw the teaser when they went for Pushpa 2 now also. They saw the teaser. They can't see me in that view only. And most of my friends are, I have a friend group that I've grown up with.
जी.
Kindergarten से.
क्या नाम है ग्रुप का?
Group Toy Friday.
What?
It's called Toy Friday.
इसका क्या मतलब है?
I don't know myself. And one is called Doberman. One is called Doberman and one is called Toy Friday. So if you would like to info what it's called, I'd also like to know the meaning. Please tell me.
तो उन्होंने क्या लिखा है आपके लिए, आपके प्रोमो के लिए?
They don't. So most of them are boys.
जी.
And we are 4-5 girls and a few boys, but they're all like my brothers. And they went for the teaser and they've come back. ये कौन है? Are you the actress from Azad? Are you the actress from Azad? Are you the actress? Are you?
ऐसे?
No, you don't look like the actress. Go away. You don't look like the actress from Azad. Go away.
अरे, where is the sense of pride and wow and this
pride
and
तो है, but
CTR?
they'll never show me the pride, na? That is the thing. The pride will never be shown to me. They'll talk this as, oh, she's looking good, you know, she's looking good. I get nothing. Are you the actress? Really? You don't look like her. Go away.
Obviously, it's not easy. हर मूवी के पहले आता था no animal has been hurt in this movie. आपको क्या-क्या लिखना पड़ा इसके लिए?
इसके लिए तो मुझे लिखना चाहिए कि no human beings are hurt. Because the way we have handled the horses, you know, they are just like superstars.
Oh my God! And for you, what was this thing about horses? क्या था आपका fascination?
पता नहीं, मुझे सपने में आते थे जब मैं बहुत छोटा था, और I've had dreams of horses and I just love them. I think you see a black horse, and when you sit on a horse and when you see a horse run, you know what it must feel like, you know. And also they're so sensitive and they're delicate. I mean, it's not surprising that a Ferrari has a horse as a logo, you know. There's a reason for that.
आपने क्या सीखा horses के बारे में?
ये तो इतना कनेक्शन हुआ हॉर्सेस के साथ. आई मीन आई डोंट वांट टू साउंड क्रैश, बट मैं उनके साथ सोता था, उनकी पट्टी साफ करता था, खिलाता था, एवरीथिंग. बिकॉज अगर मैं वो रिलेशनशिप नहीं बिल्ड करता और उनकी एनर्जी नहीं समझता, मैं सीन में उनके साथ परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाता. बिकॉज वो एक्टर नहीं है, वो लाइन नहीं बोलने वाला है. वो सीन में कभी कभी आके मुझे काटने की कोशिश करता था. टू कीप इम्प्रोवाइजिंग, प्लेइंग विथ हिज एनर्जी. सो इट वाज अ फैंटास्टिक प्रोसेस.
ये आपने बचपन में क्या किया था कि आपको घोड़े के साथ इतनी दोस्ती करनी पड़ी? Just imagine what a horrible pun I've marred. Dave Gunn, son of a... Sorry, I didn't go there. You didn't hear me say that. You didn't hear...
God, and this is double barrel.
I'm going to do quick music since this is also a music interview. मैं कुछ गाने आपको बताऊंगी. आपको अपना नाम... You can't answer me until I've heard one name. And I will say मैंने किसका नाम पहले सुना.
I didn't understand.
Okay. I'm going to sing one छोटा गाने का whatever
you're
मुखड़ा,
going
right?
to sing?
Yeah. Just a मुखड़ा.
Okay.
Then you have to say... You say Aman or you say Rasha, and then I say I heard Rasha first. आप जवाब दोगे. आपको जवाब नहीं देना. पहले दोगे तो आप minus marks हो जाओगे. ठीक है? Ready? Actually, why don't all of you play this? I would love it.
let's all play.
All of you all play this. Whoever knows the answer as soon as you hear the song.
So we have to guess the song.
Yes.
Yeah, whoever guesses
Shout
first.
your name. You have to not guess the song.
I have to
You
shout
guess
my
the
own name.
Name of the movie.
Of the movie.
Movie.
Now I think
Not
Amit
the
is
song.
worried. Now Amit
Okay,
is worried.
okay. So can we clap whoever knows it first? Like
अरे क्लैप मुझे कैसे पता चला किसका था ना? नाम बोलो, मेरे को आज आ जाएगा कान पे. ठीक है? अभी रेडी? She's too excited.
Yeah.
You're going to win. You're the winner.
जीता
So
हूँ
in front of you, how are
जिसके लिए.
दिलवाले.
You can't give the answer, but you have
You
given
say-
the right
you
answer.
say-
I will let this
say-
go. I will
Oh,
give
sorry,
one mark to
sorry.
Amit.
The golden
what is
buzzer.
this?
I think it's fine. I don't think
Sorry.
इसमें
You got the
इसमें
point.
सिर्फ
right?
अजय जी और रवीना जी साथ में थे.
You got the
बस.
point.
Oh my God! I'm
We should have known that.
suddenly Amit is feeling very confident. Okay, ready?
Sorry, नाम बोल.
Ready with the next?
मैं भूल गया था उसके लिए sorry.
Very easy.
So what are you supposed to say if you know the name?
अपना नाम लो.
आपका नाम बोलो.
Like a buzzer if you take your name.
You just take your name. Okay?
So can we call you Gatta from now?
Oh no!
Gatte.
All you know will become gatteri, like in the sense of the Rajasthan gatta,
Oh God.
gatte ki sabzi. Okay, ready guys? Illo ji sanam hum aa gaye.
अंदाज़ अपना.
Alright! How could you have missed that?
said it's your favorite film.
It is.
Next one. किस डिस्को में जाए? Yes.
किसी होटल में खाए, कोई दिन-
Yes.
Madhuri Dixit and
No. Hello. It's fun. It's all her and her.
I want to see if you can.
You take it.
Raja
you
Babu.
take it. No, not Raja Babu.
Okay, I'm gonna hint.
ये क्या है?
बड़े में छोटे में
Thank you. Okay.
But actually, I really like the song. Okay, I should stop talking.
Yeah,
I knew he would win this.
He's got two right
I
now.
said it in the beginning. Gattu sir is gonna win this.
Oh my God, he's too
Sorry.
fast. Okay, ready?
Also by 2000.
Two.
maybe, so.
2-1. Let's go.
टिप टिप बरसा
नहीं, मोरा.
We know the song, we're singing the songs, but we're not getting the name right.
but why you didn't answer then you don't want to win
Should I answer?
Okay, guys, next.
Why should I answer?
why
Next,
not?
next.
Why aren't you?
Because I'm my mother's biggest fan. How I'll say.
So, अरे मैंने
And we are participating in like a genuine game. Don't I said it answer.
मैंने दिल भी तुम्ही को दिया
Wait,
है.
I think, is this Fool or Kaate?
Yes, thank you for standing up for him.
Yes, I'm 0.
I remember this.
Come on.
Okay, last. हमको सिर्फ तुमसे प्यार है.
Me.
बरसात
Barsat. हाँ, you said it. Barsat, you said it.
No,
Barsat.
is it Barsat?
Barsat.
Yeah, no, it is not.
Bobby
it.
Deol.
Yes. All right, guys, this has been fun. I can't believe Amit Trivedi has led the way.
No,
I
he's
did-
leading.
He's leading.
all right
Oh, does he get a gift now?
I knew it. Number 6s have a thing with music and it's intense. अगर आपने घोड़ों का बचपन में सपना देखा, आपने साकार कर दिया, अभी आपने घोड़े खरीद लिए, कितने खरीदे?
छोटी
Oh, छोटी आते. I think before we leave you, I definitely want to say this is a very exhilarating film क्योंकि मुझे ऐसे लगता है this is our देश. We forget कि हम लोग शहरों में रहते हैं, but ये quintessential भारत है. You want to tell us क्या आपके लिए खास है आज़ाद का? क्यों लोगों को देखनी चाहिए हिंदी?
you know we all have so many pets. We have dogs and we love our dogs. Some people love their cats and we think like a dog is a man's best friend. But आप सोच सकते हैं जब 1920s, 1910s, in the years gone by, you know जब गाड़ियाँ नहीं थी, electricity नहीं था, internet नहीं था, तब एक घोड़ा और एक इंसान का क्या रिश्ता हुआ करता था. You know, for him to go from, her to go from one place to another, what that relationship must have meant and what is the contribution of a horse in a human being's life. We are selfish because we are human beings and we think this whole planet and everything in it is to serve us. But if you just think about it, what that relationship must mean and what is a horse's contribution in a human being's life over the years in history, it will blow your mind. You know, we would not have been anywhere if it were not for that horse. So it's a tribute to that horse.
How lovely what you've just said, but nonetheless, I want to make a little fun of this moment. आपको बुरा लग रहा है कि आज़ाद को ज़्यादा attention मिल रही है
बिल्कुल
आपसे?
नहीं यार, इतना सुंदर घोड़ा है. हाँ.
Set पे क्या होता था? Me and Aman would be ready for the shot. We'd be sitting on set, and then once I remember asked, "Shot ready है?" And the first AD says, "नहीं, आज़ाद sir आ रहा है." And we stood there.
नहीं seriously, हम लोग ऐसे खड़े रहते थे और फिर सर आते थे अंदर,
And then we
मार्क
have
लेते
to be
थे.
ready and quiet. Pin drop silence. Nobody talks around him. He cannot get upset.
हाय राम, इसको इतना प्यार और इम्पोर्टेंस मिली
He
है.
was a star to
Star,
another
star.
level.
अगर ये प्रीमियर हो रहा है, प्लीज हमको इनवाइट कीजिए, हमको उनसे मिलना है आज़ाद से.
बिल्कुल बुलाएंगे आप.
Yes, and आपके लिए, oh, the question has come from him too.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Why is this movie? Of course, it's your launch. I love it. But आपके लिए आज़ाद में क्या है जो, you know, it will be liberating. हमारे audience के लिए क्या खास है?
I think मैंने ये पहले भी बोला है, going beyond my launch or her launch or Gattu sir's film, I think this film का एक genre नहीं है. इसमें comedy भी है, action भी है, romance भी है, animals भी है. तो आपको बहुत सारे elements दिखेंगे इसमें. So I really feel अगर आप आके देखोगे, you will not be disappointed.
Family entertainer.
Full family.
I hope so.
Go Raj. It's your turn.
I think the people for me.
Hi.
Honestly, it's the people for me. It's the emotional attachment to the people. The horses, of course, but the people for me.
Horses ने आपको प्यार दिखाया?
Of course, they're like little puppy dogs. I call my puppy Horsey now at home. Alaska, I don't know if you all know, but I call her Horsey. Horsey, come here, Horsey. I call her Horsey now.
You have turned everyone into a horse lover.
Yeah.
आपके लिए अमित,
Like, I'm a director's guy, so I would say Abhishek Kapoor is the biggest factor here because people who have seen Rock On or Kai Poche or Kedarnath, you'll know. And even I loved the Chandigarh Kare Aashiki. What an amazing
Oh, yo,
film.
what a film.
Jabardast film hai. So there's always something special
New,
and
yeah.
new for the audience to see.
And do you feel he gave you the chance कि आप अपने favorites को revisit करके उसको alive करें, है ना?
Yes, मतलब like doing this film and going in period world, it was a challenging thing for me, but it was fun. It was really exciting. I enjoy these kind of challenges. मजा आता है.
चलिए,
तो यार
जर्नी पे चल रहे हैं, पीरियड फिल्में चल रही हैं और घोड़े चलाएंगे, घोड़े के
घोड़े
साथ
चलाएंगे.
उड़ेंगे. Will we feel like we are riding the horse as well? Will we get that feeling?
For
ये
sure.
3D 4D में बनना चाहिए था, I think.
We are getting seat belts put in the theaters as well.
it's needed.
In case you fall off.
Oh my God! Okay then. आजादी थोड़ी कम होने वाली है आजाद देखते समय. Thank you guys. I hope you've enjoyed this interview as much as we've enjoyed the fact that you've made something so beautiful and unique. God bless.
Thank
and
you.
lots of love and
Thank
blessings.
you.
Thank you very much.
Bye bye.
Radio City, रग रग में दौड़े सिटी.